This is the JOI book SK3000 with 4G LTE. Let's start off the unboxing and the Windows setup for this device. We have the USB Type-C cable, and then we have the adapter quick charge, and then we have the user manual, and lastly we have the device itself. Okay, right now let's do the Windows 10 setup for the JOI book SK3000. Open the laptop and then just press the power button. Okay, now we have a welcome screen to show continue in selected language. Click yes. After that, select your region. Choose Malaysia. Click yes. And then choose the right keyboard layout. Click yes. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can. If not, click skip. And then let's connect you to a network. Connect your chosen Wi-Fi. Click next. You have the Windows 10 license agreement. After you read through, click accept. And then how would you like to set up? You can choose either personal or organization. Select personal, click next. And then you can sign in to your existing Microsoft account. After that, put in your password. Click next. And then create a PIN. Click OK. And then if you want to do more devices with activity history, you can click yes. If not, click no. If you want to do it later, you can do so. Just click do it later. If you want to back out your OneDrive, you can click next. If not, you can choose only save files to this PC. And last but not least, this is the privacy settings. If you want to learn more, you can click this. If not, you can click accept. And it's completed. In order for you to add in the micro SD card and the nano SIM card, firstly, you need to flip the device to the bottom side here. And then you need to use this screwdriver, which is negative. And then you start to remove the screw. After you're done, just remove the slot. And you can add in the micro SD and SIM cards. But first, you need to pull it upwards and then pull it up. After that, follow the shape of the size of the card and insert them. After that, you need to close it back. Then just pull the slot. And once you're done, put it back the cover. And tighten back the screw. and you're done.